What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, we're gonna talk all about brushes. So I usually go for like the more affordable brushes like Morphe and all that, but I just came across BH Cosmetics brushes, and I haven't played with them a lot, but I have played with a few, and boy am I impressed. So today we're gonna do a full face of just BH Cosmetics brushes. I love their price point and the quality is amazing. So let's go ahead and get this video started, and yeah. Okay, so the brush sets that I'm gonna use today are the rose gold brush set that comes with a cute little rose gold pouch, and these retail for $22.99. But if you Google a discount code, they're so easy to find for BH Cosmetics. I also have their new blending trio, which was just $6.99. These brushes are so soft, so nice. I'm super excited to use these. And I also did get the regular gold 10-piece set, which I may or may not use, not sure yet. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit and let's jump right into this video and see how these brushes perform. Okay, so now that you guys are up close and personal, I'm just gonna prime my face with my fingers like I usually would. So now that my face is all primed, let's jump into foundation. So I'm just gonna take my tried and true Infallible Pro Matte and shade 106, which is my normal shade, I believe. That one looks a little dark for me right now, so let's try 104. Yeah, we're gonna go with 104. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on the back of my hair, you know, la la la, boring, boring. I'm gonna take this rose gold brush, and this is the number 2 rose gold brush. It reminds me of the Morphe Y6, which is like everybody's favorite. And I'm just gonna dip it into, ooh, you know what? I'm gonna dip the ass end of this brush into the foundation, and I'm just gonna dot some dots on my face. And then let's start buffing this in. Egzod. So far this brush is super soft. It's blending it out really, really well. I'm not seeing like any streakiness or patchiness. Okay, so foundation is on, and I used the rose gold number 2 brush. Wow, I'm really, really impressed. I think it worked really, really well. I'm excited to see how the rest of these brushes compare. I'm gonna add some concealer, and then we're gonna blend it out with the same brush. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out with that same rose gold number 2 brush. So first impressions of this is, I feel like my product's a little too dry to be blending it out with a brush, but it is really blending it out so nicely. This brush is pretty dense, but it's not like too dense, and it's so soft, and it's really, really blending in that product. I'm really, really impressed so far. We're only on brush number 1, holy shit. I'm impressed. I'm really, really impressed. Okay, now that I got my base on, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with the BH Cosmetics number 1 powder brush. And I'm gonna use my Patrick powder. This brush really picks up and deposits the powder so well. I'm just gonna take a light layer of that all over my face. So far, I'm liking the way this is looking. I'm just gonna spray some of my MAC Fix Plus and melt this powder into my skin really quickly. Bitch. And then dabbing that in with my little beauty sponge. I do this with every makeup look that I do on myself or anybody else. So far, I'm really, really impressed. BH Cosmetics, you did that. You did that, okay? For $22.99 for that brush set. Oh my god, oh my god. So now I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics 133 brush in the gold set, and I'm gonna bronze up my face. Wow, that picks up a lot of product. Again, these brushes are so soft. It's nuts. I don't want to throw no shade or anything, but a lot of companies sell brushes just like this for a lot more money. A lot more money. Okay, so now that I got my face all snatched, I'm just gonna grab that nose a little bit. I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics 140 brush, which is like a little fluffy, cute little fluffy brush. And I'm gonna drag that down the sides of my nose. And bam. So I don't usually use a pomade for my eyebrows, but for the occasion I will, so I can use a brush. So I'm gonna take the Rose Gold number 10 brush, which is just like an angled liner brush. And we're gonna carve these brows. So besides this color being a little dark, I'm not mad at that at all. Okay, so this is no brow, and then this is brow done. I still want to clean it up, but BH, you did that. Now I'm gonna finish the other brow. Okay, so now that both of my brows are done, I'm gonna clean them up with some concealer and this Rose Gold BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this brush and that concealer. That number 8 brush got my brows looking right. I know I need to get them done, but in the meantime, moving on to eyes, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with some MAC Painterly Paint Pot, per usual. And I'm gonna take this black and gold BH Cosmetics 139 brush. Okay, she coated. And we're gonna prime these eyelids. Okay, so this number 139 brush did a fine and dandy job priming my eyelids. So when I bought these brushes, I also bought a little BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So what better way to find out if these brushes work than with a BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. I've already played with it, but not on myself, on someone else. So I'm gonna go back in with this BH Cosmetics 140 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this corner shade right here and just start off my transition. I like this blending brush. If I had a complaint, it'd be that it's a little bit big. So now that we've got that, I'm gonna jump into this little warm brown color and keep building up that crease. Now I'm gonna go back into that rose gold set of brushes and grab the number 5 brush, which is like a smaller blending brush, and take that same color and really add the intensity in my crease. I'm liking how that's looking so far. It's a little boring and bland, but we're gonna add some color to it right now. So I'm gonna take this really pretty brown right here and start adding that into my crease. Okay, so now that we've laid down that color, I'm gonna go back into this palette and grab the darkest brown, and I'm gonna throw that on the outer edge of my eye. Now I'm gonna go back in with that rose gold number 8 brush, and I'm just gonna pack a shimmer on the lid. This pretty goldish shimmer. This look is just a little bit too boring for me, so I'm gonna throw a little bit of this pinky purpley shade in the mix just for some shits and giggles. There we go. Now we got some fun stuff happening. And I'm using this, taking the number 5 rose gold brush. I'm just switching the entire look because the browns were a little boring. Now I'm gonna go in with this little bit darker shade and add a little bit of dimension to that crease again, since we went pink with the look. Okay, I'm liking that. This brush is blending like a dream. It was not hard to switch this look at all with this brush. Also, I think the browns in this palette were pretty disappointingly not pigmented, so. Now that I'm liking this new look, I'm gonna go back in with the BH Cosmetics 140 brush and blend those edges out. Okay, very pretty. Now I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics Rose Gold number 4 brush, and I'm going to dip into a little bit of this blackish blue shade and just really emphasize the outer corner. I'm really able to place that color in there very precisely. This is turning out really, really pretty. I'm liking where this look went. I'm trying to use as many brushes as I can, okay? Now I'm just gonna blend those edges again with that number 5 brush. Now I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics number 9 Rose Gold brush, and I'm gonna take this really pretty shiny pink shade and throw that all over my lid. That is a hard ass shadow. Oh baby, this shadow is disappointing. That shit's getting all over my face, bitch. So once you get that shadow down, it's really, really pretty, but like, that shadow's kind of a pain in the ass. I really didn't care for that color shadow, like quality-wise, but on the eye it looks really, really pretty. So now I'm just gonna like blend that in and make it look a little bit more seamless using the number 5 brush, my favorite brush out of the Rose Gold collection, probably. Okay, so now that I got the eyeshadow look that I like, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so now that my lashes and mascara is all on, I'm gonna finish this look off by following the same color scheme as I did on the top of my eye on the lower part of my eyes, by throwing on some liner and some lower mascara, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so now that we have the eyes complete, let's go ahead and move on to highlight. So for highlight, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics number 18 brush and my favorite highlighter ever, the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. Oh, I love this shit. Oh, wow. I like this brush for highlighting. I'm gonna throw on a quick lipstick and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I was just gonna throw on a basic lipstick. I ended up going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and the BH Cosmetics number 142 brush, and I'm just gonna do my lips all black. Okay, you guys, so that completes today's look. Okay, so my final thoughts on these brushes is I loved them. I think that they are a bang for your buck. You're paying very little for really high quality synthetic brushes, and I would recommend 10 out of 10. I will have them linked down below in the description per usual, and yeah, like, I hope you guys can get your hands on them. No shade to Morphe or anything, but you know, your prices are going up and you know, other people are gonna take your spot, so it is what it is. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys liked me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, all my social media will be linked down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.